Good morning. Welcome to Finance Investment by Ms. Trinh Nguyen, CFA Charter Holder and Master of Science in Economics of Banking and Finance. Following previous video about investment in real estate, today I introduce the stock selection of Khang Group in real estate industry. It's listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, ticker KDH. I think that KDH is an attractive stock in segment residential real estate. The contents of presentation today include introduction, then key projects of Khang Dien, SWOT analysis about strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and final financials about KDH. About introduction, I will mention history and targets shareholders of KDH. KDH was established in 2021. The company had successful IPO, initial public offering, selling shares to the public in the first time. In 2027, the company has listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange since 2010. KDH has three targets. It aims to be leading real estate brand name with trust by customers and partners. Also, stable and long-term growth, which is higher than average growth of the economy. It plans to be one of the most favorite working places for staff. KDH is quite attractive for foreign investors. They own 37%, including high brand name in financials like Vina Capital Fund 13%, Dragon Capital 10%, PIN 5%. The foreign room is 50% at KDH. Key projects of KDH in 2014, look at that's the products are villas, and the Vernica in Thủ Đức City. Thủ Đức City includes District 2, District 9, and Thủ Đức District since 2020. Other two products are Mega Village and Melosa Garden Townhouse, also in Thủ Đức. 2018, KDH had two large apartment projects, Yamila and Safira. 2019 to 2020, projects are Verosa Park, Villas and Townhouse in District 9, Lavra Vista, apartment projects in Bình Chánh, Western South of Ho Chi Minh City. Recently, 2022, the project is the Calasia in Thủ Đức City. The project construction is finished, products already handed over, and certificates of ownership are given. Now I present here attractive pictures of different projects. The projects in Thủ Đức City like River Town, Mega Residence, Mega Village, the Vernica, mainly villas and townhouse. Other project in Thủ Đức is the Glacia, Safira. In Bình Chánh, there is products apartment project La Villa Vista and Lê Minh Xuân Industrial Zone in Bình Chánh. Here are the projects in process. The Privia, Clarita, Emeria, the Solina. The Privia products are 1,000 apartments in Bình Tân with area 1.8 hectare. Stage is in construction, already started in 2022. Clarita in Thủ Đức with area 5.8 hectare. Emeria in Thủ Đức, area 6 hectare, and the Solina, a complex of villa, townhouse, apartment in Bình Chánh. 3 projects in the paperwork stage. In the future, there are 4 projects: Lê Minh Xuân Industrial Zone Expansion, Bình Trưng Mega Township, and Phong Phú 2. Lê Minh Xuân Industrial Zone, area quite large, 109.9 hectare. Bình Trưng in Thủ Đức City, products are townhouse, villa, apartment. Mega Township in Bình Tân with area large, 330 hectare. Phong Phú 2, products are low-rise and apartment in Bình Chánh. On these 4 projects in paperwork stage. Now I mention the SWOT analysis of KDH. Strengths: KDH has large land bank in Ho Chi Minh City with high value, also very strong potential at Thủ Đức City, eastern of Ho Chi Minh City, and Bình Chánh, Bình Tân, southern of Ho Chi Minh City. The directors and management have strong track record and long-time experiences in real estate. The company has reputable brand name with customers and partners. Also, wide network with different banks like state-owned banks, private banks, foreign banks, so they can offer very borrowing financing packages and can meet the diversified demand of different customers. Weaknesses are high investment capital to build land bank in Ho Chi Minh City because of high pricing of land. As a property company, KDH must borrow or issue bonds, issue stocks to buy land bank and conduct projects. The industry is cyclical, as I mentioned in previous videos, so they have less customers when economy has difficulties. Opportunities of KDH. It has opened Kangdian sales gallery and sample housing so they can improve quality of sale and after sales, also increasing connections with distribution agents, partners, and customers. The digitalization that KDH has conducted of distribution and marketing, they can expand customer network. Also, they have collaborated with professional management and operation companies in real estate like top of the world, CBIE service to promote brand name and customer loyalty. The rest are the dependence on interest rate policies. However, premium high-end products like villas, so they must select customers with high income. About financials, I mentioned here key definitions of the financial before going to detailed figures of KDH. 3 statements of financials are income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Income statement show information about financial results of a company's business activities like sales, cost, profits. Profit after tax is equal to sale minus total cost. Total costs are cost of goods sold. For example, at KDH, the cost is construction. Selling expenses like marketing, administration expenses like salary of admin department. Also, there is interest of financial expense. The balance sheet presents the financial position of a company. We know the important formula, owner's equity is equal to total asset minus total liabilities. That the asset belonging to owners of a company. Cash flow statement shows the sources and uses of cash during business periods, including cash flow from operating activities, CFO, cash flows from investing activities, CFI, and cash flows from financing activities, CFF. Key financial figures of KDH in 2022, the sales $123.9 million US, decreased 22%. However, updating first quarter, sale was $18.1 million US, increased 97% versus first quarter 2022. We note that the sales are recorded when products are handed over. So sales of real estate companies like KDH are not stable depending on the handing over of real estate products to customers. Profit after tax in 2022 was $46.9 million US, decreased 8%. But the company has managed to maintain very high net profit margin, 37.9% in 2022. About balance sheet, items are inventories. The company has built inventories high in 2022 at $530 million US, meaning high potential growth of sale in coming years. The share owners' equity, $500 million US. The equity minus total debt is 1.7 times its safety level. Normally, one time of debt and of our total debt, the ratio of equity to total debt 1 time is considered healthy. Cash flow statement, operating cash flow $44.6 million US, and they finance the expansion of inventories of growth by net borrowing cash flow $127.7 million USD in 2022. The net borrowing is the borrowed cash minus the prepayment of principal cash. We note very interesting point that in the meantime, KDH share price increased yearly by 20% from 0.8 USD per share in 2019 to 1.4 USD per share year to date. Now I end the discussion here as having introduced key contents about selection of KDH stock. You can apply and add KDH to your portfolio based also on more research and analysis. Please click the subscription button under the video for my motivation to make further high quality videos with deep insight. Thank you.